Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube Shorts as an Instagram story. Want to post a YouTube Short as an Instagram story? In this video, I'll show you how to do it without losing quality. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to download the YouTube Shorts, and to do that, just open YouTube and find the shorts you want to download by clicking on the shorts section for easier access, and then find the shorts you want to download. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. After that, click on share. Now a pop-up menu will appear. You're gonna select the option copy link to copy the shorts link. As you can see, it says copied. Now I have the link of the video. Now the second step is to find a YouTube downloader like SaveFrom or SnapTube. You can download SnapTube on your app device, or you can go to SaveFrom's website. And there you're gonna paste the shorts link. Now after you paste it, download the video in high quality. This can be 1980 pixels or higher. And for the second step is to resize for Instagram. Now Instagram stories are also vertical, which means a 1916 aspect ratio, so most shorts will fit perfectly. Now if needed, use InShot or CapCut to resize and adjust the frame. You can find InShot and CapCut in the App Store. As for the third and final step is to upload to Instagram story, and you can do that by opening the Instagram app and tap plus and then select story, and after that browse your gallery for the downloaded short video and select it. You can also add stickers, text or music if you want, and after you finish editing, tap share to post it. Now for additional tips, Instagram stories have 15-second limits, so longer shorts will be split into multiple clips. You can also use Instagram's music library to add trending sounds for better engagement. And that's it. Now you can easily share YouTube Shorts as Instagram stories. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.